Hello everybody, my name is Robert, that is Zoe, and this is Bite Size Clue. Today we have an unboxing, and it's probably the most expensive unboxing we've ever done, right?
Yeah.
And it's certainly the most special unboxing we've ever done.
Yeah.
So should we just break right into it?
Yeah.
It's a pretty big box, and a pretty nice looking box too.
Yes.
Inside of this box there is just one item. And of course it comes in a little dust cover because this product, or this thing, needs a lot of protection and a lot of love and a lot of care, right?
Yeah.
Opening it up, we find inside... Do you think they're ready?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
No, she says. Inside of this bag, there are 3 images. That is right. Zoe, I was going to say we, mainly Zoe, is pregnant. We are due to have a little clue in the household in September, right?
September.
So we went for our, as you can see, first scans today. Excited isn't the word, I don't think. I mean, I'm well up for it. I'm so excited. Zoe, I think you're less so. You're pretty nervous about the whole experience, right?
Yeah. I'm excited but nervous as well.
As you would be. But yes, we have a little clue coming, and it's just an exciting time, right? So we're going to have, hopefully content's going to continue as normal as we normally would on this channel. Might have a few more baby products coming up, I suppose. I mean,
possibly. Baby
tech is a big industry. Did you know this? Did you know?
No.
Yeah, there's tons of tech products for babies. So if any of those companies are watching this, yeah, seriously, if any of these companies are watching this, reach out because we'd love to try out your products. We'd love to feature them. So that is our news. I'm gonna just try and hold these up to the camera a little closer as well. There we have it. 3 little pictures. I'm calling this thing a little gremlin because, I mean, it's right now, you know, when we were kids, I assume the audience will probably know this as well. You used to get those aliens in the jelly, in the plastic eggs, right? And you could like throw them at the wall, and there was this whole thing of, if you put 2 of them together, they made a baby. There was that whole thing going round.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it looks like right now. I know this is our kid, and I'm supposed to be like, I'm supposed to be nice about it, but yeah, that is Little Clue, coming September 2024.